Hey everyone, welcome to DataMillennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the Boolean data type in Python. So Python Boolean type is one of the built-in data type which represents one of the two values, either true or false. Python Boolean function allows us to evaluate the value of any expression and returns either true or false based on the expression. So if you use this Boolean function in Python, then it will evaluate the value of any expression that you had given and it will return either true or false based on the condition that whether the condition has met or not. We'll create a program which prints the value of boolean variable. Let's say that we have two boolean variable, so bool variable 1 and bool variable 2. So we are going to create a program that will print the value of boolean variable, and then you can understand what exactly or how exactly this boolean data type is used in our programming. So let's say if I'm putting bool variable equal to true. Okay, now if I print this boolean variable 1 and print the type of this boolean variable 1, at this moment let me comment this out and let's run this. You can see that the value is true and the class is boolean. Now if I change this true to 3, you will see that the class has int and the value is 3. So the boolean variable can only have either true or false. Okay, if the value is true or false, then only your class will be boolean. So let me take this part and put it over here and show it for false also. Okay, so for boolean variable 2 I'm putting false. Let me put print boolean variable 2 type of boolean variable 2. So you're getting true for this boolean variable, then class is boolean based on this type. For boolean variable 2 you have the value false, which is getting printed over here due to this statement, and due to this type you are getting this class as boolean. Okay, now we'll create another program which will evaluate the expression and print the return value. Okay, so let's say that if I have a variable 1 equal to 250, okay, and variable 2 that has 758. Okay, now if I want to print saying that boolean variable 1 is equal to variable 2, let's print it. Okay, variable 2 is not defined, so that's my mistake. I need to put variable 2 over here. Okay, let's run it again. So we have false. So this program returns false as variable 1 is not equal to variable 2. Okay, so this is a simple example to get you introduced with the Boolean data type, and in our next videos we will be using this Boolean data type for condition evaluation when we will be working on the decision making codes. Happy learning and see you in the next video.